I just made the check-in to the Ilunion Valencia 3. This hotel it is closer to the outside area of Valencia. It is not in the city center. From tomorrow, I will stay in Ilunion Aqua 3, where it is more centric location. It is closer to Oceanico de Valencia. Here we stay more at the in the business area, in the outside area. This room is a double twin room. I also have breakfast is included, and the breakfast starts from 7 a.m. till 10:30 a.m. in the weekdays, and on weekends it starts from 8 a.m. till 11 a.m. Even though it is just a 3-star hotel, it has everything very well done. We have a basic room with 2 twins, me free water here, so I have also some free water included. There is a safe if you want to leave your documents. Here is enough space to leave your belongings. There is space for your wardrobe. From my room, I have the view to the pool that that I can have access, but I won't have time to enjoy the time by the pool. So everything looks fine. I just really like this room because it is clean, it is comfortable, and it has everything you need for one night stay. Something that I have forgot to mention on my previous recording is that I have as well the space for business time. If I need to work, I have a good space for working and as well to enjoy the city view. And on my back, I have also a TV. I'm not watching a TV, so I haven't considered it to mention earlier. But I think that for those of you who enjoy watching TV in the hotels, then this you will have TV as well. One thing that I'm really impressed about this room is the size of this room. For a 3-star hotel to have a twin double room, I have a huge space, so there is a plenty of space to enjoy, what I think that you won't have in any big cities. I'm back from the breakfast time, and I was surprised for several reasons. First reason is that I went on to breakfast at 7:30 a.m. and it surprised me to see so many people over there at this time, because usually Spanish people do not come to the breakfast so early in the morning. But I suppose because it is Friday and it is a weekday and many people are coming on business, for business here in Valencia, I suppose that they start their day earlier, as I do too, because today I have different business meetings. This is the reason that I'm staying in this hotel, and later today I will join my family to the other hotel where they are staying once I finish with my business meetings over here. I wanted to record several videos at the breakfast time, but I couldn't because there were too many people and I didn't want to bother people with my recordings. And as well, I wanted to record the space, but because there were so many people over there, I couldn't do it. But here to say is that the breakfast area is pretty big enough, and you have even the terrace space that if you want, you can go outside and take your breakfast. The food is very delicious, and even if, for example, on 3-star hotel, you will see that the breakfast is more limited than in a 4-star hotel. I would say that everything was complete, from fresh juices, what surprised me a lot, because in a 3-star hotel you want to have fresh juices on breakfast time. Usually it is there are juices from Tetra Packs and not so fresh, let's say. There is an option of a coffee machine that you can choose any coffee you wish, from Americano to café con leche, and you obviously can take some tea as well. Yesterday when I was recording this video, I was super tired and I forgot to mention that our ride from Barcelona to Valencia took us almost 4 hours, but it is because we made a stop because kids wanted to enjoy some fresh air, and we made a stop at the parking area. All the way was really easy because we were going on a highway, and it was super quick. But the thing about weather that I was mentioning earlier was that at the beginning we had plenty of sunshine, but at the one certain point there were so much rain on our way that I even thought that we will have to stop. But no, we just were riding and everything went well. By the end, we just passed the region where the rain was going down and we went through another sunshine here closer to Valencia. And here in Valencia, we are staying at two different hotels. I'm staying now first night at Ilunion Valencia 3, mainly because I have different business meetings and those are closer to this area, to this region. And my kids and husband are in Ilunion Aqua 3, and I will join them later today. And as well, today I will be recording the videos from the other hotel from this chain. There we have also breakfast included, so I'm really keen to see what can bring the breakfast at that Ilunion. I suppose that because it is the same chain, more or less the breakfast should be the same as it is here. My overall thoughts about Ilunion Valencia 3 is that this is just a great option if you are coming for business here to Valencia and you want to sleep. The beds are comfortable, the shower bath is amazing. I had a really lovely breakfast, delicious one. I also, everything is clean. I'm happy with the location of this hotel. Maybe if you want to visit Valencia more like a tourist, maybe you should go closer to the city center. And even I would recommend the other two Ilunions, Ilunion Aqua 3 and Ilunion Aqua 4, because those are closer to the different touristic attractions and you can visit more over there. But if you don't mind to go there and forth and to take a taxi, then this hotel is a good option for you as well. Thank you for watching and till next time.